we're very fortunate here in this house to have some really interesting controls. We've got a whole home monitor. Of course, we have a smart thermostat, but I want to focus just a little bit on the ventilation control. I want to hopefully simplify for both you and your mechanical contractor the decisions you want to help your homeowners make with respect to this control. What I really want to think about is if there are people in the house, cooking, breathing, sleeping, and so on, would I want fresh air? Yes. And the house, this control has been set up such that the house needs this control to run at minimum ventilation, a small amount of ventilation. From there, we have extra folks over, maybe we're cooking or cleaning, we can turn it to a higher speed, and ultimately we could turn it to its highest possible speed, what's called turbo, which would be for cooking odors, might be for high moisture events. But really be clear to your clients, this is for the fresh air for their family. It's not about optimizing energy performance at this point, it's about ensuring that everybody has access to good, fresh air. So HVAC contractors, builders, ask the question, when would you like fresh air in your home? That's going to determine when you're going to operate this control and at what speed.